So in last session we have done array. Today session I'm going to talk about little bit array and continue keyword. Which keyword?
Continue.
Continue. And we have to learn, today we have to learn continue, default keyword, and switch. Hmm? Hello. This
Okay.
much we have to learn today.
Mm-hmm.
So let's try. So first of all, I'm showing you use of the continue. Continue we can use only in the loop. Remember it. What? This keyword. Please help me.
Only in the loop.
Yeah, this keyword is used inside
Loop.
loop only. If you use somewhere else, it will give you the compilation error. For example, I want to write a program. Class. Wow, right? Class name can be anything, right? But by convention, it should be start with capital letter, right? This is the right. What is the public static void main? It is starting point of the program. Who calls main method? JVM main thread.
Mm.
Who creates JVM? JRE.
JRE.
JRE is a part of JDK.
JVM. Or JDK.
So I don't know, after string, this is the array, right? And variable name could be
Anything.
anything. Cap is done. So basically, what my plan is, I'm just running a loop 100 times. How many times?
100 times.
Starting with 1 up to 100,
100.
x equals to x
X.
plus 1. You know it, right? Huh? You can write x plus plus or you can write this. Both are same. Now what I want to print only, I want to print only, I want to print only odd number, right? So what I can do, I can put a if condition over here, right? I would
Mm-hmm.
say, hey number, x modulus operator 2. If it is coming 1, means number is odd. Suppose we have 3 and you to take modulus operator with 2, it will come 1. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So how you can say number is odd? Odd, right? Number. And if you take the modulus with
Yeah, so
2,
remainder is
rem-
one.
remainder would be always 1. If it is 1, then you can say continue. Continue means, hey loop, do not go ahead.
No
Continue
sound.
means,
Can't hear anything.
continue means,
Do not go ahead.
yeah, do not go ahead, just go to the increment and decrement section.
Do not.
Comment, go to increment, go to increment,
Is it just the
increment
opposite of the
section.
break? Continue.
No, no, no. Break is actually uh, moving you outside the loop. But here it is saying continue. Continue means don't do anything in the loop for this iteration. Continue means start new iteration. Mhm.
Yeah,
Confused?
thank you. Yeah, no, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, start new iteration. So here I want to print system dot out dot println. Clear? And here you can print x. So what it is going to print? See in the program. Whenever x modulus operator 2 is 1, whenever number is odd, like 1, 3, 5, for this it will continue and go to the increment and decrement section. For other thing like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, for all the even number, it will print. You got it?
Sir.
Basically, my intention is I'm saying, hey
More
control, do not,
percentage.
pardon?
Percentage is called modulus. Or
Yeah, it is called modulus operator in programming language. You know plus minus?
yeah.
Plus minus is the operator, right? Plus percentage is known as modulus operator, right? Are you following me? Modulus. You have to say, I'm following you, modulus operator, right? This operator gives you remainder in mathematics also. You know it, right?
Yes.
Hello. So this
Yes.
program is clear to everybody. The continue, continue eventually in the loop, right? You cannot write inside. It is inside the if, but eventually it is for the loop. Got it?
Got it.
Mhm.
Okay. Hello. Anybody have any question, query so far? Ah, this is clear. This continues clear to everybody?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So next, which I have to teach you is break. Break we have done yesterday itself. So what break does? It terminates the loop.
Stop, yeah.
At any point of time, you say, hey, stop it. Stop the loop, right? Terminate the loop. Sometime on some condition, you have to terminate the loop, right? You can do that. So in same program, I can make few. I don't know the way I'm teaching you, you guys are understanding it or not. Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Delete, delete. Basically, my intention is the moment number, any number, right? Any point of time. Suppose x is 80, then you say stop it. Break, right? Break means hey loop, terminate.
Terminate.
So it will work 1 to 79.
Yeah.
The moment x becomes 80, this code is not execute. System dot aha that println. Println. It's not going to execute. Here you can print x. If you understand, say understand. Otherwise, say I don't understand at all.
Yeah, I understand.
Understand.
Very good. So I've done with the break is also used in two places, inside the loop, inside the switch. What we have to mark? Remember, inside loop plus inside switch. Switch I will teach you soon. Just name. Switch. Switch. Done. Okay, so these are called programming construct. Once you learn all those things, then you can make a bigger programs by using all this technique. Switch is basically used to make the choice. Meaning, choice means if you have multiple option, right? So you can make a choice with switch. Switch is nothing. It's just a simple form of if else condition. You know if else, if else.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So same thing. Whatever you can do with if else, you can do with the switch as well. Let's see how. Okay. See this syntax nobody can remember. Okay. Like here, I'm just taking input, right? Integer number. So basically my intention is I want to print number could be 1 to 7. So if 1 I want to print Monday, if 2 I want to print Tuesday, 3 means I want to print Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Make sense?
Mhm.
Oh. So for this you can use switch. You see the syntax? Switch, parenthesis, then curly bracket open and close. Mhm. And here I can pass my number. This is syntax. Are you following me? Here
Mhm.
you can take number, you can take character, you can take a string, right? All those things. Uh, you cannot take float. Are you following me?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you can write case, right? And then you can write number one, then colon. Are you with me? If it
Mhm.
is one, num is one, it is going to match this case. You can print system.out.println. You can print here Monday. Mhm. Hello
Yeah.
and hello. You can print the Monday, right?
Mhm.
And after that, you want to print write break. Why? Break means you say, hey, come outside the switch. Okay. Similarly, you can write case 2. Please, if you are following me, then only you have to say yes, right? 2 means Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Similarly, you can write for others, right? I don't have space, so I'm just writing for this much. So this is the end of the switch, right? 3 means you can write
Wednesday.
Wednesday. I can show you in the editor, right? So you got the benefit. If it is, if num is 1, in this case, it will pin Monday and it will come outside the switch. If you don't use break, right? What happened? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, everything will print, which I don't want, right? I want it should print only
Monday.
one value. So this is the end of the switch. This is the end of the method, and this is the end of the class. So people, if you allow to me, so what can I type this program in the editor to make it more clear? Syntax, you should not take tension. Why? Because syntax, nobody can remember. Syntax, only you can remember and just by doing
Programming.
practice. The more program you write, more you will learn. So typing is important. Ooh. Can you help me? What example is switch? Example. Editor helps you write syntax and all. See, I don't know the syntax of switch. Who is going to help me? Editor. How? Mean? What do you mean? Mean is the starting point of the program. You know it.
Hmm.
And here I can take integer number 2, right? You see my technique? What I'm
Yeah.
doing? SWITCH and press Control space bar. What?
Control
Control.
space.
Type switch and put your cursor right to it and then press Control space bar. Enter. Wow. Can you see this? Yep. And here I can write here and here I can write 1, right? And then you can write sys out Monday. So once 1 is there, you see my screen? Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Simply 2, 3, 4,
Oh,
5, 6, and 7. Default means if no option match, then you can write here message. Aha, you have entered wrong choice. Make sense? Yep. In last, no need to write break because already you are, in the last. So my dear friends, you see the syntax? If number is, sorry, I missed it. It should be 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I missed 1. 7. I don't know. This is too complex or you can understand. Sunday,
Yes.
Tuesday.
complex.
Too complex? You have to do practice, right? Of syntax, you have to write like this only, okay? And you have seen the way I have written it. Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday. Friday.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And do we need to have that default every time?
No, 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 no. It is optional.
Oh, okay.
Why we have break? If you don't have break and if you enter 1, it will print everything.
Mhm.
So 2 means it will jump to the 2, it will print Tuesday, and break means it will come outside the switch. This is the end of the switch. Can you see this? End of the switch statement. No one is replying.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is used for choice. Same thing you can achieve with the help of if else, if has ladder. You can do it. See the output? Output is coming
Good.
here Tuesday, right? If you enter 1, it would print
Monday.
Monday. If you print, if you enter 7, sorry, here if you make 7, it would say
Sunday.
Sunday. If you enter some number which is not matching, it may be 0, 1, minus, minus 1, minus 2, right? Aha, you have entered wrong choice. Clear? Done.
Yeah.
So this is the example of switch as well. I'm sending you, and I will teach you last and a small topic, and then I'll make you free. That is how to take input from the keyboard. What topic is?
How to take input from the keyboard.
How to take input?
From the
Can
keyboard.
Keyboard.
Right now, your program is not user interactive. Means user is not entering any value on the fly. So in Java, you can take input in two ways. First input you can take first, right, at the time of running the program. Means you want to take input when your program is
Running.
running. For example, I can give you the layman example. Suppose I have to give you $100. I'm not going to give you, of course. Assume I have to give you $100. I can give you in two ways, right? I would say, hey, start to run. I will give you $100 on the way. Make sense? Second, I would say, hey, take this dollar and run. Both are different or not? In
Yes.
first, when you are running, that time I am giving you $100. In second option, you are not running, right? You are just standing in front of me. I am giving you $100. Then I said, hey, go and run. Okay. You always say, take 20 rupees and I'm bring samosa. No, I don't know. So there is second option, right? First option is called input at the time of running the program. Second option is called input from command line.
Input from command
This
line.
is called input at the time of running the program, input from the command line. So we have two approach of taking input in Java or any language. So which method I am teaching you right now?
The second one.
Second one.
First
Yeah.
one. First one. If you want, I can teach you both today. It is up to you. I'm going to teach you first this one, right? Input at the time of running the program.
Running program.
In Java, we have a ready-made class to take input from the keyboard that is called scanner. So you have to write this kind of code. Scanner variable name as variable name you can give anything, right? Then new scanner, and in this you can pass system.in.
System.
You have to kind of remember. When I will teach you object-oriented programming, then thing will be more clear. Are you following me?
Yeah.
So scanner as capital, here you can take anything, right? This is a variable name. Then right side you can write new
New
space
scanner.
scanner, and in parentheses I am passing system.in. System.in always represent to keyboard. What?
Keyboard.
It represent to keyboard. So by writing this line, my scanner object is connected with
Keyboard.
keyboard. So I would like to make some diagram so that please ask questions. Normally it is little bit confusing. Ask questions if you have. So this is your keyboard, and your keyboard is connected with SC, right? So when you type something, it will go to in this object. What I'm saying? When you type something from keyboard, all the input will go inside
Yes.
SC.
SC object, or you can say variable. Both fine. Okay. Confused?
No.
And suppose I'm typing 123. Clear? So if I want to take this data from SC, we have to write SC dot next int.
Mm-hmm.
What I said? If you are typing integer, right? 123, enter. Then from SC, when you type 123, it will go to the SC scanner object SC. You would say, hey SC, give me the integer value. So whatever you have typed 13123, it will come to num. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
When you are typing string, you know string,
Yeah.
Nagendra,
Mhm.
then here you can use next and it will return you string. Got it? When you are
Okay.
typing double or float, then you can write next float. So it is up to you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Confused? No?
No.
Let's see. So I'm going to show you one program. Hmm?
Mm.
And see, if you want to use this scanner, then you have to import a class that you have to again remember a little bit. On top of the program, you have to write import java.util.star. This much you have to remember. This thing will be clear when I will teach you oops concept. Import is a keyword, small letter space java.util.star semicolon. Why? Because in this util package, scanner is defined. So scanner is defined inside util package. Let me write it. Scanner is defined inside util package.
Scanner is defined.
So let me show you this diagram. So guys, I'll show you the use of it, one program. After that, you will just enjoy. So today's session is very shorter. Okay, no problem.
Again,
Yes.
can't we call just the scanner like not all the utility from the Java?
No. You have to. Yeah, you can call just scanner also. Here
Like
you can write.
import java dot utility dot scanner.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, that's possible. So let me show you the program. People come with me. Which program? You have to
Scanner.
take
Switch.
in input, right? So a input demo one. Mhm. Please come with me, right? So if you want to take input from the keyboard, first line you have to write import. I told you, right? Java.util.star. Clear? Semicolon. And here what you have to write? Guide me. Here you have to write scanner,
Mm-hmm.
sc,
SC
new
new
scanner,
scanner system
system.in.
dot in.
Yeah, little bit fast, but same thing I'm writing. After that, you can give the message, right? So that users come to know what I'm supposed to do. Enter your age, please. Got it? So when he enter the age from the keyboard, right? It will go to the SC. You would say, hey SC, whatever an age he has entered, right? Return to me. You can use next int, next small I capital. Can you see this? So here you will get the integer age. You got this much?
Yeah.
See, this scanner variable name new scanner system.in is pointing to keyboard. So this is connected with the keyboard. This is the message you are giving to the user. Hey, enter your age, please. So in keyboard, he is typing that number goes to SC. And from SC, you are saying next int, give me the age, which he has just. Next int means give me the input, which is just typed by the user. Mhm. And what you want to do with age? Nothing. You want to say, hey, your age is, your age is, any guess? Age. Can you run this?
Yeah.
So what happened? If I run it, it would prompt me for, can you see this? Here, first time it is prompting. Enter your age, please. Suppose you are entering 21. Clear? Enter. When you press enter, then it will read the, your input will go to the SC and you can read it using next line, next INT, right? So this is the way how you can take input. Are you following me? So far in all your programming, you may be hard coding it, right?
Yeah.
But first time you took the input from the
Keyboard.
keyboard. Let me show you another input. Suppose you want to take string. You see my speed? Copy paste. So my second program. Enter your good name, please. Hmm? If you want to take age, string, a name you can store in a string type of variable. You know it, right? Here you have to write either next. Next means suppose your name is only Nagendra, right? Next. Suppose your name is Nagendra space Kumar space whatever. Are you following me? Then you have to use next line. When you use next line, when your name is multi-word, right? Next means your name is in single word. Remember it. Okay.
Yeah.
Next line is good. It will take everything. And then you can print it. What? Your name is, I don't know, you're following me or not.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
It will ask, enter your good name, please. My name is Nagin
Again.
from Delhi. So it will take everything. Okay.
Hey, your name.
Aha. Today we have learned how to take input from keyboard.
Keyboard.
Okay. In Switch program, let me make a program, right? Third. So what kind of input you want to take? Integer. Enter your good
Yes.
name, right? I don't know. Enter your number, right? So how it is going to be changed? Here you can write
Int.
next int.
Yeah.
So here you can take num and it is integer.
Teacher. Yeah.
Now you can use switch. You see my speed? Switch, control space bar, right? One means you can say Monday. eh? And here you can write break. Got my point? And here you can write number.
Number.
So, see, now you can write it fast. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Default, you can omit it, right? 7, 6,
6, 5,
5, 4,
4, 3.
3. You can write in any order, right? Order doesn't matter in this. Are you following me? It's not like you can write, it can be any order, right? Oh, mister, you can
Yes.
write like this also because it is
Oh.
matching, right?
Oh.
2 means Tuesday. And
Means Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday. And Sunday is holiday.
Yeah.
Done? Hello? Order doesn't
Yeah.
matter, right? This is end of the switch, and this is the end of the method, and this is last one is end of the class. So now output will depend on input, right? If you enter input 5, it would say Friday.
Friday.
If you enter 7, it would be Sunday. You know it. Done.
Mhm.
This program is clear to you as well because in this I'm taking input from the key. Please do practice, okay? Guys, next one is command line, which I'm not teaching you today. I don't want to make you a lot today.
Yeah.
I want you should try and practice this much. I'm telling you, Practice is the only thing. Okay. Now you know many things. You know if, else, for loop, array, right? Many things. So using those things, you can write the programs. Are you following me?
Mhm.
So my session was only for 30 minutes, I guess, not more than that.
Mhm.
So
So,
people, I'm just stopping my session. And from next session, what I will do is, first of all, I would like to discuss your doubts. If you don't have doubts, then we can start OOPS concept. Real Java will start from next
oops.
class. Yeah, people, I think it is enough for today. Thank you.